In this multiple choice question from the given option, they are directing us to specify incorrect pair between the brain part and function. For this, let me understand the brain part in detail. In this picture, we are observing the cerebrum and cerebellum is mainly responsible for voluntary and involuntary activity. If you're talking about medulla oblongata, it is not only controlling the excretion, digestion, circulation, it also controls breathing. If you're talking about the corpus callosum, it is mainly present between the right and the left cerebral cortex, mainly responsible for conducting the neural information between these two cerebral cortex. With this specification, we are specifying the option A is a wrong answer. Why? Because cerebellum is no way connected with language comprehension. So we are choosing option D as the correct answer to secure 4 mark after ignoring option B, C, and D. What are the points we told with this picture and option that we are giving as a point-wise narration to have a recap and also to take the neat notes? For our future reference, cerebrum, not cerebellum, is concerned with language comprehension. Cerebellum is responsible for voluntary movement. With this specification, we are choosing option E as the correct answer to secure 4 mark.